Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories right here in this room and this setup that you're seeing here. I've got amazing friends. I'm in Utah right now and I had the chance to meet so many amazing people. We're still hanging out, and this beautiful book right here, my friend Kendra created. She's in the community. She's amazing. She's been here for a couple months and in the community with us, and she used die cuts with the view and they're actually hanging out with me in the room just a little bit here. And I just wanted to walk you through this beautiful book she created. Did you make this for the May challenge?
Yes.
Awesome. She didn't want to post it because she said she was late, and I want you guys to know you can always post your projects late. Post them whenever. We always want to see them. So let's get a close-up on this. Do you remember the Paperline name, Kendra, by chance? Look at these.
I can see if I can find it.
Oh, she's going to look it up. She's awesome. And look at these pearls that she put on the spine here. Sort of a shabby chic challenge we had for May, I think it was. And so look at this gorgeous, I mean, I don't know where she got that, but she's here. She could tell me right now that where she got that from. And that is just beautiful. This lace right here is just absolutely Hobby Lobby lace. And then I think she carried that same lace through here actually on the closure. Yes. So it's just so beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to get into this with you. You guys are going to love it. Right off the bat, front and side cover. So this is the Kindful mini album we created. Again, it's so awesome to see everybody's different renditions. We can call them mistakes or boo-boos or whatever, but look at this. This first page here, actually, let me start right here. She's got these awesome inserts. And look how cute that camera stamp is. I want to actually know where you got that too, because I want to get that same one. And we need a close-up actually on this vellum page. So we have double stacked pockets right here. Look at the little sprinkles. See that? Oh, Field Trip Echo Park vellum sprinkle page. Look at that.
The stamp.
The stamp is Echo Park. Okay.
Yes, Field Trip.
Perfect. I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for chiming. This is just awesome. I've never done a share like this, and this is so much more exciting. So there's the first front and side cover, and then she ended up saying, hey, look what I did. And she started cracking up, and I said, you know what? I like upside down pockets. So we got, look at this. Beautiful. And then this is a beautiful little insert. Look at it. It flips over, and now we have pocket access on the back. So if you wanted to do that on purpose, you could. You could flip your stuff around and intentionally switch up the design. Look at that. Just so simple, so perfect. Okay, you guys are going to trip on this one. She actually put some of this awesome cheesecloth underneath the design paper. I've never seen this done before. Just unreal. And she's got a beautiful closure right here. And she used some super sweet twine. I think this is like Hobby Lobby twine too, huh? Yeah, I love that texture. Sort of waxy hemp cord. She's got the circles closing that in. I'm going to pull this down so you can see the top. Excellent. There's some gold foil accenting in here. I don't know if you can see that. Look how lovely. Oh, I like how you snip the edges, and then you got a hard corner right here. Look how pretty. I love that. Here it is. And then let's look at this. How it just shines and shimmers. Thanks to Marilyn here in Utah. Just such a beautiful home. We're in her craft room right now, using her little setup so that I could show you guys this book, because I wouldn't be able to take it with me on the airplane. And look at this. Beautiful. Just so simple. You can stick your pictures in here. She can add stickers later if she wanted. I'm not sure if you wanted to do that later.
Yes.
But listen to that magnet. Let's go one more time, because that is in there.
Stick.
And just this beautiful splay opens up again. And she kept this photo mat loose in here. And more of that cheesecloth. And oh my gosh, this page is, look at that. Die cuts with the view. She said they might still actually have it. So beautiful. I don't even know what to say. I love being able to touch these in person. Oh, she's got this, I don't know if you guys know, but I ended up making a separate tutorial for this little standalone booklet for the June challenge. Look how she added this gorgeous paper here. She did like a 1/4 inch rounding actually for this particular spot. And then inside here, she did she kind of flipped it the other way because maybe the kids were nearby. Who knows? We laughed about this already. Yep. But once you put your pictures there, nobody's going to know anyways. I've done that so many times. A couple more interior flaps right there. And then here are, page 8. So if you've made this album before, I'll leave the details of this tutorial down in the description. But look at this. I'm obsessed with this paper. Oh my gosh. And a cool notch. I want to get a close-up on that. Totally different envelope notch. I actually want to know the brand of that later on.
I will.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. Yeah, she traveled about an hour and 18 minutes from here just to come and hang out with us. We have 6 ladies here. Oh, this is just gorgeous. You did a nice 1/4 inch rounding here for this particular spot. I think I did an inch for mine, or 1/2 inch. I just love the switch up in this look. Some more of these flaps here. And a tiny little tear here, but that's okay. We're opening it. And look inside. There's so many, you know, you really loaded this up. You loaded this up perfect.
Good.
I just love it so much. I have to be gentle with that. And then on the, actually, there's a little sneaky pocket back here. I totally missed it when we were looking at this earlier. Look at this. Vertical.
Did you do the pocket on top?
Did I do the pocket on top? No, I missed it on that one page.
I always miss it.
Yeah, let's go back. And there's a whole nother pocket on the very top of this page 5 unit. She's got a gorgeous, yeah. Look how that, I love it. Whole nother 4x6 space, front and back, vertical, horizontal, however you want to do it. It goes right back in there. Wow, that's just excellent. This is just perfect. Let's go right back where we were. 4x6 vertical, you can stick anything you want on there. And then we saw inside there, here's the back cover page, pocket right there. And then we've got more horizontals. And you could really switch this up if you wanted. And she said she had some more cut aparts she can go back and add in. And just, Kendra, this is absolutely fabulous. Thank you so much for letting me go through this with everybody. I just, it's so awesome. She's here live. She's right over there. You guys, thank you so much for watching. And do you have any links that maybe we can go see? She has 3D projects. She does things for Echo Park. I'm so excited to go to the Echo Park store officially in Utah for the first time ever. So we might do a little field trip over there. But I'll leave your info down below. She does, are you on Facebook and Instagram? Mm-hmm. Awesome. You'll be seeing that stuff down there. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.